Claude 3.7 Sonnet is a game changer in the world of large language models. Imagine having an advanced AI that not only understands complex problems but also enhances your problem-solving skills in math, science, and coding. With its extended thinking mode, it tackles challenges with remarkable efficiency. The introduction of Claude Code takes it a step further, acting as a coding assistant that helps developers generate code, debug issues, and automate tasks seamlessly. This model is not just powerful, it's cost-effective, making it accessible for sectors like software development, data analysis, customer service, research, and education. By emphasizing hybrid reasoning, Claude 3.7 Sonnet delivers faster and more accurate responses, revolutionizing how we interact with AI and improving the cost efficiency of using these technologies. It's not just about technology, it's about transforming the way we work and learn.